And also included is a nice fresh pair of gloves that are intended to protect your hands when you're working with the hot cups. They've got these little rips here on the underneath part, which you would use that side, I believe, to touch the cup with. You remember the cups are going to be really hot, so you don't want to burn your hands. Also, what was that? A little brush. Like a little rubber smoother. The same concept here. If you're working on smoothing something out, it's got a little smoothing edge to it. So all of these little things here included in the little kit for tumblers is this little paper cutter. You can use that to cut, your printouts. Maybe cut the edges of the paper off if your cut's too big. So a little cutter to help you cut, whatever you need to cut when you're working on your cups. So this little tape measure has a little hole in it. You just sling it around. It's got a little hole in it and it can tell you exactly the diameter of your cup if you're working on finding that. So all of the little things in this little box are kind of an all-in-one kit for people working on cups. Bunch of different little things that'll come in handy. That's the thing to put around your cup once it's rolled and ready to go. It can also aid you in keeping the paper on there securely for you to put your tape on. Also, we have one of these little things to smooth things out with, whatever you call those. Also, this little stand here, which is pretty cool, to place the cup on to help you, eyeball putting your vinyl cutout on, and to help hold the cup securely while you're working on preparing it to place into the heat press, the tumbler heat press. Okay. Also included in the kit is some tape, some thicker tape, wider tape than what you might have, and just a tape dispenser as well. Some other tape, as well as some smaller tape pieces over there as well, and also a little measuring tape, small little measuring tape to help you. So these things could all come in quite handy when you're working on making your cups and your designs with your cups.